Welcome to Jones Junk Journals and more. For the month of May, I'm doing a bee journal, and I'm going to put in one of these little ATC cards in a pocket that I made last month. I'm using part of this cover from an old book to make a cover for my journal, and I'll use one of these pages for the front and inside of the cover. I will leave the link for these digitals down below. So these are a mix of bees and flowers. I'll be printing something on the back, like maybe a light yellow with lines, so there'll be a place to write. I think that these two digitals here go together really well. I'll also be adding some hand-dyed papers. Meanwhile, I believe this blue goes really nice with both sets. And I won't be using all of these, but I'll be using, well, probably at least 5, because I want one in each signature and 2 different ones for the cover. These are 60-pound paper. These ones I got from Value Village last year, I believe, sometime. So the main colors in the digitals are yellow, blue, and green. That's why I chose yellow, blue, and green. Then, you know I like my notepad paper, so I think either one of these would go really nice. And you have to have some coloring pages. Unfortunately, I only had one with bees. Then, you know I love my stickers. Put them this way so you can see them better. I'm not sure which ones I'll use yet, but I love the bees and the flowers. And of course some cute little bees in here. And there's a bee here I might use. Some cute little bees right here. And a couple little bees in this one. And some nice fabric. I might make a fabric pocket or a tuck or a flip. Some bee ribbon. Beehive. Flowers. Larger one with the beehive. This might be a little bit too orange. We'll see as I'm working on it. And some beautiful yellow rickrack. Then I have these little bead die cuts. These were from the Dollarama. And then I have 2 different sizes of these wooden bees. And they're either from Dollarama or Dollar Tree. Thank you for watching. I love and I appreciate you all, and I hope to see you again soon. Please stay tuned for progress videos on this journal.